I remember the days of the first generation, my second generation car having a nice square buckle. When I want to grab my seatbelt and I want to grab the buckle, it's right here. Then I lock in my belt. There is a loop. It sits dead center of your belly. Well, for some people it does. Others it may sit to the side. What is that loop for? Other than when you release it, you have it to the side. Nothing else. You don't want to do anything with it. Other cars, they put a little square, a little round, an obligated button, plastic button. These are nylon polyester seat belts, man-made. They don't stretch. I think nylon was first and polyester came second, or vice versa. One is stronger than the other. And we can argue this to death. But if you look at the back of the car, as well as the passenger, the back of the car, the seatbelt loops are different. In height, that is. Rather being up here, it's down here. And sometimes the annoyance of these buckles, they will hit the side. The only one that does not have the loop is the center passenger. No loop at all, and it has the paper still on it. Oh, please do me one favor. If you rip this paper off, you know what's going to happen? The seatbelt people will come after you. Well, there you go. Have a great day. You learned a little bit about your seatbelt. If it clunks in the back because you have it hung up, or if the sides are hitting the side of the pillar, then you know it's your seat buckle doing so. And that was one of the biggest complaints on the old-fashioned Honda Sight. No more. I'm AK Roadster. Fishycomics, thank you for stopping by. You want to know something about your seatbelt? Ask your dealer. Have a great day, everybody.